So I got a crutch fork right here, and it's damaged. It had the pilot bend come out and just started grinding away at it. Now this would be an item that you could, you know, technically buy and replace, but this is an actual part that might take some time to come in, and it's very repairable because it's steel. I got another video on repairing another crutch fork. If you want to see that, it's in the description below. So what we're going to do is go ahead and grind this off, both of these. And not all the way, just clean them up so we have something fresh to weld to. And we're gonna weld it back with a gas welder. You probably could get away with flux, but gas is the best way to go, especially on parts like this. So we're gonna weld it, we're gonna reshape it, we're gonna clean it up, and probably have it looking pretty nice. So stay tuned, hope you enjoy. So this is the final product, guys. It shows that you can repair your shift fork. All you have to do is pretty well have a good gas welder and something to shape with, probably a flop wheel and stuff. Now I got a detailed video on this repair in the description below if you want to see on another shift fork I repaired. Now be sure to drop a like, leave a comment. I enjoy hearing from you guys, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Also, subscribe.